Hi everybody, I'm Jen, and this is another installment of the Opensource.com Top 5. We do this every Friday. It's a roundup of the best 5 articles from the week. So today is also a very special day. It's July 31st, Sysadmin Day, and you can follow all the great things that people are saying about their sysadmins today at #sysadminday. And we have also put together an awesome article on the homepage that lists 30 sysadmins that you should follow on Twitter. So check it out, find out about some really great people who have some great things to say about their work as sysadmins. And let's hop into the top 5. At number 5, we have a review of two excellent platforms for learning how to code through gaming. The first one is CodeCombat, and this is more of a role-playing game for any age. And the other one is Codewars. And Codewars requires gamers to solve a little bit more difficult problems to advance to the next level. Number 4, we have a roundup of 6 continuous integration tools from Nitish Tiwari. And he gives us a short little compact but awesome review of each of these, and they are Jenkins, BuildBot, Travis CI, Strider, Go, and Integrity. We also include the project page, the source code, and the license for each. At number 3, we have eating our own dog food in open source. So you probably have heard this term before, eating your own dog food. If you haven't heard it before, basically the idea is that if you're going to be really an enthusiast of open source and a proponent of open source, then you should try very hard to use open source to do all sorts of things, from creating documents to image manipulation and so much more. So there's a ton of open source tools out there, and Jason Van Gumpster in this article really gives you some great reasons for why you should eat your own dog food. At number 2, we asked a poll this week: what is your favorite desktop environment? And as you can imagine, we had a lot of response to this poll, over 3,000 votes, and we have 2 that are neck and neck, KDE and GNOME, with 22% and 23% of the votes respectively. We also had a ton of comments and people in social media telling us that we forgot to add Unity to our list. So we apologize for this giant oversight, and we will include it next time when we ask you this question again in a few months or so. And finally, on our list this week at number 1 is Nicole Ingard's report from OzCon last week on Tom Calloway's talk, "This is Why You Fail, the Avoidable Mistakes Open Source Projects Still Make." So Nicole went to OzCon last week and covered tons of different talks for us, did some reports on them. You can see them all on the site. And then this one that she covered from Tom Calloway's talk did very well with readers. Everybody wants to know, why is my project failing, or why could it fail, or is it failing? What are the warning signs? So this is a really great article if you're interested in finding out those sorts of things. So in this article, Tom also identifies 7 points of failure and 11 reasons why your open source project is failing. So check it out. You just might save your project. Thanks for joining me this week, and I will see you next time. See ya.